Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue the must try AI tools in Canva. In this episode 6, I will show you the motion type, which is a pretty funny application where we can create our own text animation that you can see on the screen. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just closing this page. I already opened the new blank Canva, without Canva. Go into the apps and searching for motion and find this motion type. And this is the application what we are looking for in this video. If I opening it, as you can see, already we have 5 different templates: the twist, wobble, stretch, outline, and a pulse. So now I will show you the stretch. Here I just we have the text what we would like to play, like canvateacher. Even I just put tutorial, and we can play with the font size. Sorry. Here we can change the size of the canvas with the width and the height. As you can see, this is just a square, but here we can change the ratio, but even we can create a bigger, wider, or larger Canva. We can change, of course, the font type, but bear in mind, if you are using a different language, like I'm Hungarian, and if I'm typing in Hungarian and try to use this application with a Hungarian text, in a Hungarian language we have additional characters, and not all the font types has all these characters. So if you are using our other language than English, which has a special character, first check is the font type has all these characters or not. Otherwise, you can have might be some surprise. Normally, the Canva, in this case, if this character doesn't exist in the font type, use other font type. Normally, these basic Canva font types to change this character. So I just try to find some, well, use this. And if you would scrolling down a bit, we can change the alignment, as you can see, but I keep it in the left side. We can change the text color. Now I'm just changing to red. Nothing really happened at the moment, but here when the funny starts, if I change the duration to 5, actually we are slowing the animation. So I just would like to have just 0.6. That has to be pretty fast. Moving back to 2.5. And here is the other funny thing. Just type 90. As you can see already, the portion which is moving is changed. Now it's 90. If I changing to like 70, the distance, so the distance of the stretch. As you can see now I'm reduced and it's just a small one. If I increase to 1500, it's a pretty long one. 382. Yeah. And the last one, this rotation, if I change to 90, as you can see, the top is moving. That's not really work well when we have more than one lines. Only the top line is working. So if I 110, yeah, that's working well if I have only one line. Just to also this coordinate are just moving a bit. As you can see already, the bit more portion are moving. So if I just turning this to 180, in this case it's moving to the right, but now this coordinate are just moving back a bit. No, was a bit more. Okay, 60. 40. I just have to find a proper space where I would like to use it. 50 is also still not good. 60. Yeah, 60 is my almost. So if I 57. 58. So if I just move back to 30, that's not good. So we can play around where we want this. Now it's good. For example, the end is moving. Now for me it looks perfect. We can really play with it. So if I add the other text, now it's not that good. So if you would like to use more than one line, I prefer to do it three different lines, and I can play where I want this stretch. Now with the end this looks good, but when the second line was actually, as you can see, is not that useful. So we do not have to do anything else, just add to design and wait until the system generates it. So it's generated. It usually takes between half a minute till a couple of minutes based on the usage of the application. But at the moment, as you can see, still not properly working. Now I can already play with it, but it's not 100% at the moment. I can increase the size. Now you can see successfully uploaded, and now just have to wait until it's working properly. Even as you can see, there is a transparent background. When it's uploading first, it's mostly something gray, but when it's completely uploaded, this will be transparent again. So as I mentioned, if I would like to change the text, like to teacher, and like the good thing here, I already can change the color also, like to bluish, purplish. And now I just have to see, I don't want to do this with this A, might be with the H. So just moving to the bit to the right. Oh, with the C is also nice. Good. My first impression would have to do with the H, but with the C is also pretty awesome. And oh no, update and replace. That's okay. This is not what I want, but if I understood correctly, it was already uploaded to my uploads. So I will check it. Is it really there? Hope so. Uploads. Videos. Yes, it's here. It's pretty good. So if the application is updating my animation here, that's not a real issue, due to we can add the other one from the upload. So that's pretty good. Hope so it's really happening now. Yeah, still have to wait a bit. I just paused the record. So as you can see, it's happened what we are expected. The text got updates, but it's not a big issue. Would like to see how much is the length. What is the length of this animation now? Maybe I have to change the size of this text. Would like to see where is the end. As you can see, still we have this gray. Now it's move back to white. It's actually transparent. A bit more and even more, just to, yeah, just when the R is reaching the border. So it's there. And if I going back to the uploads, videos, I would like to use this Canva. It's here. Starting somewhere in the same as good. That's a bit too big. I would have to change it back a bit, even more, until the A is just reaching the border, and now moving to the top. Yes, it's looking good. Increasing the size a bit. And what if position layers? I would have to change the color of this white background. Give some this blue is not good. Okay, this gray is good. So here is the final outcome of this stretching animation. Looks pretty awesome. Actually, with the Canva, might be zoomed, increase the size too much, and now you can see the pixels a bit. So it's working well with a bit smaller letters. But this is also, I'm just find this application today, so also have to learn together with you guys. But here's the final outcome. I think this is pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment if you like the tutorial or struggling anything with Canva or any AI tools. Please also visit my Facebook page also, where you can find lots of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus also you can find lots of text to image prompts from different kind of AI sources like Copilot, Recraft, even the Canva Dream Lab. So you can find tons of beautiful prompts, what you can try and use it. But now the tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Ciao.